From hot off the press, the Let It Shine Artful Card Kit has everything you need to make artful layered cards, all from one kit. 69 pieces in this creative kit. So let me just say, here is the Artful Card Kit. The ribbons are sold separately, so 69 pieces here. And we give you ideas right here on the front. So let me go ahead and pull this. I'll show you the ribbons in just a moment. But you're going to get ideas here on the front and on the back. Lots of ideas of how you can use these, and that's super cool. It comes with 35 beautiful die cuts. You've got focals, you've got labels, tags, and borders. This is perfect for layering or using individually, and you can stamp, computer journal, or hand write your own sentiments on these labels and tags. And so you've got a real nice selection of here, and these are just going to pop right out, really simple. Some of them, they are nested, so you can pop out separately. So I love those die cuts, just beautiful. Plus they're going to match perfectly these 7 coordinating papers. So each sheet here is 8.5 by 11. They're single-sided, and they really do coordinate perfectly with those die cuts. So let me just go through the papers really quickly. Just beautiful. And you're going to be able to use these and be creative in lots of ways. You've got borders, you've got edging, beautiful florals, nice colors here. I love this gold glitter piece. It almost looks like it is glitter, like a glitter sheet, but it is paper with that glitter design. That's beautiful. You've got another border design here with florals and diamonds. So just beautiful of the gold stripes with the glitter there too. This is really unique in that you get a gorgeous green marble. We saw a pink marble earlier, so that's going to match nicely. These are going to be great for masculine and feminine, so you can use it both ways. You can use get lots of designs out of there. Plus you're going to get 27 greeting cutouts that you can mix, match, and layer. You can layer these on top of the die cuts. You've got lots of different greetings on there. You make my heart happy, a little birthday, a lot of happy, where flowers bloom, so does hope. You make the world a better place to be. So, and then you can put your own greeting. So whatever you like with those cutouts. And then the ribbons, which are just so beautiful. They do match these perfectly. So let me bring in, excuse me, some of the papers here. There we go. So gorgeous papers, ribbons that match the papers. There are 6 ribbons. Each of these is 36 inches. And you've got a grid ribbon, you've got a beautiful swirl, a crepe, you have a twill here, you have a nice sheer and a 1/4 inch. I love that stitched look in the pink. So all of these 36 inches, and let me show you what you can do with all that. Put that together and you can make beautiful cards, just layering those papers. So you've got layers of papers in the background, you've got layers of die cuts on the front. It's so simple to create a card quickly with these. One more I'm going to show you, covered with that beautiful marble paper, and then you've got the gorgeous floral and diamond design. Again, layering die cuts, adding a little bit of ribbon, and just a little on the inside. You're going to be able to make a lot of cards with this. It's just a really unique look, very striking, especially with that gold and the greens and pinks. The Let It Shine Artful Card Kit.